Today I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily so your presentation looks more organized and professional. This is a simple formatting trick that can help you keep track of slides during a class, meeting, or business presentation, and it only takes a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the program launches, you can either start a brand new presentation or open one you already have saved. If you're creating a new file, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation ready, just open that file and go straight into editing. Now that your presentation is open, take a look at the top menu bar. This is where most of the important formatting tools are located. Click on Insert, because that's where LibreOffice keeps options for adding extra elements to your slides. When the drop-down menu appears, find and click Page Number. This adds slide numbering to your presentation, which is especially useful when you want your audience to follow along more easily. After inserting the page number, you may want to check how it appears on the slide. Depending on your template or layout, the number might need a little adjustment so it sits in the best position. If needed, you can move it slightly or make small formatting changes so it fits cleanly with the rest of your design. A well-placed page number can make your slides look much more polished and easier to navigate. If you're working with multiple slides, this is a great time to review a few of them and make sure the numbering is showing correctly throughout the whole presentation. Sometimes the position may look different from one slide layout to another, so it's always a good idea to double-check before presenting or exporting your file. Once everything looks good, your presentation is ready to go with page numbers included, and that's it. You've successfully added page numbers in LibreOffice Impress. It's a quick and useful feature that can improve the overall structure of your slideshow in just a moment. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.